These are the end tables I'm going to be redoing to make them the farmhouse style. They're beautiful tables and I love the gray color, but I'm going to do them in white. I'm going to put some new handles on and I'm going to make a new top. Alright, the paint I'm going to be using today is Krylon Chalky Finish paint. It's a white paint. I've never tried this before, so I'm going to see how this comes out. Usually I buy this stuff at the little antique shop, but I was at Lowe's and I thought, let's just try it and see how it comes out. I can always put in a second coat of the other kind of paint on there if I don't like it, but I think this is going to work good. I measured the tops of my table because what I'm going to do is I'm going to be getting some wood strips and putting them on there after I stain them. Let's just see how this paint looks. Mix it up a little bit. This is going to be a really nice end tables when I get done with it. Right now they're just kind of boring. This is going to look nice. Since I'm going to have wood on here, I don't really care so much about the top. I'm going to paint it anyway, just in case I don't like how the wood comes out. For now. Really hear the birds chirping today. And my husband, when he was bringing this table out here, he dropped it, and now there's a crack, so I have to put some kind of putty or something in there before I paint those, and I have to take these handles off because I'm going to be putting these on with the white paint. It's going to look amazing. I've got to take the old ones off first, so let me see if I can get this side painted. I can get to the other table. I'm going to get one coat. It was really, really hot and sunny out, and then we started to have a thunderstorm, so I don't want to get tables stuck in a thunderstorm. Yeah. Oh, good. All right, I'm coming right down. 2 seconds. I just got to do this. John, can you get me one of those screwdrivers that's got the star kind of thing? No, I think they're back in there. This one doesn't work. It's not big enough. Here we are at Lowe's. I'm getting the pieces cut for the top of my end tables. If you come down to these stores, a nice gentleman like this guy will cut it for you. You just give him the measurements. It's real easy to do. So I had to get 10 of these. These are about $3 each. And then I'm going to stain them with this stain. It's very dark, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to rub it in there real good. I'm going to rub some of the stuff off and see how it looks. Should be a nice color. Darker than I thought, but when I rub it in a bit. Now I'm going to put my boards on here and I'm going to nail them down. And if I could do this, anybody could do it. I've never done anything like this before. I have these 1-inch nails I got at Lowe's. I'm going to tack 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, and on the bottom 2. I'll see how it comes out through that far. Let's see if I can do this. Right. Let's just try to. I have to admit this is a little bit harder than I thought it was going to be. These are the nails for the Boulevard of Broken Dreams. Whatever. I'm just going to carry on here. I managed to get that tacked down, so now I'm going to try to do this side, and I'm going to try to do this side like without that happening. Let's see if I can do it. have to pause this or I might be cursing on here. Because I want to do it myself. I can do it. It's just hard. Doesn't mean I'm not going to try. Ah! God! Ah! Glad I'm not a man. This is not a job. I'm not a carpenter. That whatever. I don't care. I hate this job. It sucks. Never do this project. Oh my god. Okay, gonna take a much needed break. I can't do this anymore. This is the end result of my farmhouse end tables. This project was a little bit harder than I expected it to be, but I really do love how it came out in the end. I just had these beautiful end tables. I changed the hardware, painted it white, and if you go to Lowe's, they'll cut this wood for you just the size you want, and you just stain it and hammer it on. The hammering it on was the hardest part, so my husband helped me at the end, but I really love the way they came out. I hope you enjoyed my video. If you do, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.